Good evening, Naveen. How are you?
Very good evening. I'm very well. And how are you?
I'm fine as well, thank you. So, how was your weekend? What did you do today?
The day is quite well.
Okay.
I went for my job and routine
Sunday,
things.
don't you have an off?
No, I didn't have off today.
Okay.
I went to my work
Okay.
and
Like, is it,
completed.
it is it not work from home?
No, I have to go. Not
Okay.
I don't have that type of facilities in my profession. I have to
Okay.
go to the places. Have to visit
Okay.
the field.
Okay. Okay. That's cool. So, what do you work as?
Means apart from my job,
No, what do you work as? In your job, what is your role?
I'm working as a constable. Constable.
Okay. Okay. Then
Mm,
there is no chances of working from. You have to go down. Okay.
yes.
That's cool.
So
Where are you from?
I'm from Telangana state,
Where in Telangana?
Nalgonda district, and especially in Yadadri Bhuvanagiри.
Okay, okay. You are from Nalgonda, but you are living in Bongiri, correct?
Yeah, yes, yes.
Okay,
So
okay.
the Nalgonda and all the villages.
I'm
Are you from Telangana?
from I'm from Hyderabad. I live in Uppal. I'm sure you
Okay,
must
okay.
know.
Good.
You know Uppal if I'm not wrong, right?
I know Uppal and many, my friends they stay there, and whenever I come to Uppal and I meet them,
Okay, okay.
I'm
That's
very
cool.
happy to speak with Hyderabad. You are the first one I'm speaking with Hyderabad. And earlier, I
Okay,
spoke to many tutors, and they were from Mumbai, and a few are from Delhi, and a few are from Bengaluru. And you
okay.
are the first one from Hyderabad, and I'm very happy.
Because I saw this name Aler.
Alir. Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
because
yeah.
after your
I thought
name
that
we have.
I'm exactly from Alir, and it is near to Bongiri.
Yes, yes.
So
So that's the reason I asked.
uh,
Yeah, because I heard this word many times, so I understood. Okay, this somewhere nearby, I am sure, but I just wanted to ask you. But
have you
that's
been to
cool.
Alir?
I guess I don't know. Maybe I don't know. No, no, I didn't come. I didn't come. But there are similar. The same name is somewhere towards Moinabad. No, no, uh, Nalgonda side. Yeah.
Hmm.
Sorry, my
Actually,
bad.
actually, where are you from? Is your birthplace Uppal or you're from?
No, I am born and brought up in Hyderabad.
Okay, good.
Hmm.
Mm.
I moved here few years back to Uppal. So currently I am living in Uppal.
Okay. How long have you been working with Clappingo?
I have been working with Clappingo since April this year.
Since April. Means it has been 6 months, I think so. 6 months.
Nearly 6 months. Yeah, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Okay. How do you know about Clappingo? How you joined? How do
So
you?
I recently completed my master's in computer network. So I was looking for a teaching related job. The pandemic situation. So I was searching for a job, and on Instagram there are some advertisements where we can apply. So one such advertisement was about Clappingo, where I just applied for the job. I got an interview mail or something. I cleared my interview. I finished my training. Then I started working here. Thanks
Just
to
two
Instagram.
steps.
I'm sorry.
You know, became as a Clappingo tutor, right?
Yes.
And what was the process for that?
Okay, we'll have to attend an interview first.
Okay. Where?
Yeah. If you clear that interview, then they'll select you, and then we'll have a training process, and then
Okay.
we started onboarding.
Is that interview through online or
No, it
you
was
have to
online.
go?
No, no,
Okay.
everything is online. I didn't step out of my room as well. Not even the house. Not I didn't step out of the room, and everything is
Okay.
done.
Good,
Yeah.
good, good.
But it was during pandemic, so we had no option.
Hmm. Is it your
So
first job? You are doing
I
this job?
have been a part-time tutor for the past decade, if I'm not wrong.
Hmm.
So I do freelancing and part-time tutor.
On English itself, on English only.
No, 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 no. I used to teach ICSE syllabus students, all the
Hmm.
subjects,
Okay.
but ICSE students,
Okay. Like home tutor, or you have to go
everything.
to their home, or they will
No,
come to your home.
both I did.
Both you
I
did.
did both, yeah.
Hmm.
And for a few months, I worked as an assistant in some other tuition teacher's house.
Okay.
It was a small institute kind of thing. So I worked there. Then I started taking tuitions on my own. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I like teaching, and this job is little close to teaching. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Not
So
little, more than little, I
I'm
think so.
sorry, I didn't get you.
You said that this job is a little close to teaching, and I'm telling that it is not little close. It's more than little,
Yes.
right?
Yeah, yeah. That
Nothing but you're teaching. Here also you're teaching, and if learners do any mistakes, and you will correct them. Nothing but you're teacher,
yes, yes.
right?
True, true. But
So, and what is the best question you received during the clapping sessions from learners? What is the best
okay,
question?
recently, very recently, there was a person who asked, "You did engineering. Why are you doing this English teaching job?" I was like,
Ah,
okay. I had to answer him that it is my passion and everything. The way
mm,
I told the question a very simple way, but he was literally like, "You are an
mm.
engineer. Why are you doing this?" So that was a very, I don't know. Nobody asked that until all these months. Nobody did question me that. So yeah,
Okay.
that is the only thing.
Mhm.
That was the only interesting question I got. And mostly, it's fun knowing new people, meeting new people every day.
Mm.
Yeah.
Did you speak to any Telugu person earlier before
Yes.
this
Yes.
program?
Yes. Yeah.
Mm.
I guess I have two or three Telugu learners as of now. You are the new
Mhm.
one. Yeah. Because sometimes we'll get more comfortable if the mother tongue is same.
Yes. I
So
will
that is
feel
one reason.
very comfortable. First of all,
Yeah.
more than comfortable, I'm very happy. I'm speaking with the tutor, and she's from Hyderabad, and she knows Telugu, and hey,
I
it's feeling like
understand.
very close, and
I understand. Yes, yes, that is there. Because we know all these places and we have similar interests and
yes.
everything. True,
So,
true.
have you been to Yadgiri Gutta temple, Lakshmi
Yeah, but
Narasimha?
many years ago, not after they started renovating it, I did not go. But
Okay.
I literally heard it is going to be amazing.
Yes.
They literally changed everything that it was looking before. But
Yes.
I didn't go. It is not completed, right? The
Yeah, yeah.
renovation is
Still, I think,
going
yeah,
on, if I'm
almost
not wrong.
80% of work completed, and
Yeah.
I think yeah, my remaining 20% is there. But if you come now also, and you will enjoy the place, and
Okay.
sure you will feel amazed, like
Exactly. Because I have
wow,
seen
like
pictures
hmm,
online and everything, and I can already see how different it is. Nobody will believe that that is Yadgiri Gutta. So
okay,
yeah, but I went many years ago. Recently, I did not go. So
hmm,
meanwhile, we what in between my mom and I we thought, let them finish the renovation. Under construction, she didn't want it to go, so we dropped the plan then. So do you
okay.
go often?
Yeah, I go. I'm very very close to Yal temple, right?
Okay. Yes. Yes. In Bhubaneswar itself.
Generally, generally I go there.
Okay,
Then I
that's
feel
nice.
like
Like in the main temple, everything is done. Like where the deity is there and everything. That place is already done.
yeah, that's totally completed. Inside the temple, the work was completed,
Okay.
and they're doing outside work now,
Okay.
like
The sculptures and the decorating thing, maybe.
all those things.
Oh,
Mm.
yeah.
But whenever if notification out from government, and we can apply for the job, and if we are qualified, and we will select as a set.
Okay, we'll get selected.
Yeah,
Okay.
we'll get selected. But for like promotions, and much time. It take much time.
Yes, yes. That is it. Because I heard someone say they got selected and then they were writing related exams for CAI and SI kind of thing.
Hmm.
Any plans?
Regarding what plans means regarding
The
life or
examinations for SI and CI. If you are you planning to attempt for these exams?
yes, I'm planning.
Is the exam pattern and everything similar to what you have done for constable job?
Yes, very similar. Both are same, but the difference in the syllabus.
Oh, okay.
Both same syllabus, but coming to the essay, we have somewhat depth in the
Okay.
chapters. Like
Okay,
the
okay.
last question, so they go. We have to read all the chapters from the roots. We have to prepare
Yeah.
from the roots.
Okay. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
So, how is your work? I'm sure you must have worked very hard during the pandemic and everything.
Yes.
So, how was your
But
experience?
yeah, and we did work. But end of the day, and we felt very happy, and itself our job itself, it's a service to people, right?
Yes, yes.
But you
And we
compare
cannot thank you enough.
comparing to the other professions, if they want to serve people and they don't have chance to come out in pandemic time, they don't have chance, right? But coming
Yes,
to the our profession, and our job is to serve people.
yes, that is
And
true.
yeah, I'm very attracted to that. To serve
Service.
people is our job.
Yes, yes. But
And
the department has literally risked their life, and I see
it's,
most of you were, no matter if it is hot or it is sunny or it's rainy or whatever, you guys were there no matter
mm,
what at any point of time. So yeah, it takes a lot of dedication. It's not easy. True, true.
mm,
Yeah.
uh, then
You were asking me something. Okay, I
um,
have a question. Don't I look like a Telugu girl?
somewhat, not much, but I didn't recognize since you said. Is it correct? The sentence, I didn't recognize you since you said.
Until.
Yes, I didn't recognize you until you said.
So most of them guess that I am a Tamilian because of my
Mm,
name and I have some curly hair. So
okay,
mostly people guess I'm a Tamilian. No, not just on Clappingo, even outside. They think
okay.
there are many people who came to me and asked, "Are you from Chennai or do you know Tamil?" This happens
Okay.
most of the time. So
Hmm.
when
If
someone
they ask
guesses
like that, if they ask like that, how you will feel
nothing,
embarrassing.
I'll
Like how
not
you
feel anything. No
okay.
feelings. Nothing like that. I'll say, no, no, I am a South Indian, but my native is Hyderabad and my mother tongue is Telugu. Nothing like even in
Okay.
Clappingo, most of them, they think I'm from Chennai because I had Chennai learners who,
Okay.
booked my session for the first time. Because
Hmm.
of my name, they think I am a Chennaiite and,
So
they book
okay, they feel like okay, the tutor from our mother tongue, so we can feel very comfortable, and they will book your session, and then later they know that you are from
I
you are
had
not from Tamil, you are
Tamil.
a
Yeah,
Telugu tutor like that.
this
So
happened so many times. But
uh,
then, as in how we start speaking, we'll forget. Okay,
yes,
they'll be comfortable and
yeah.
everything.
While the
Cool.
session going on, and
Mhm.
they thought that
Yeah,
they will forget.
yeah, true.
Mm.
We are almost at the end of our session. We might get disconnected soon. Like it's
Okay,
only
and
one
yeah,
minute.
tell me, and what are the mistakes I did during this session?
Minor grammatical errors, not
Okay,
much.
mm,
That's it. It's
that's it.
just that you need some practice, as in how you speak on a regular basis. You'll understand. You'll cover it up. No issues with
Mm,
that. It's
okay.
hardly what your fifth or sixth session, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, it's
Right?
my sixth session.
Yeah. So
Mm,
slowly try to improve with your vocabulary as well because you're confident, you're speaking fine. So if you know more words, it will be more helpful for you.
mm.
And
So
we
you're
didn't talk about the
suggesting
topic
me?
today. Yeah, I am suggesting you to improve your vocabulary.